Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether the Zara mobile app is still working in 2025. And here's the honest breakdown. The app offers slick visuals, seamless in-store barcode scanning, wishlist restock alerts, and easy access to Zara promotions and online orders with ratings around 4.8 to 5 for its clean design and product selection. But many users report it crashes frequently, lags, or force quits. Navigation is confusing with inconsistent filters and lost scroll position after viewing items. Checkout glitches often, and overall there's poor customer support and slow delivery or refund handling that leaves users frustrated, especially with return issues and order delays lasting weeks. So if you're in love in Zara's fast fashion, convenience, and stay on top of restocks, the app serves that well. But if you rely on smooth, reliable browsing, checkout, tracking, and support, you might be better off browsing on desktop, visiting physical stores, or considering retailers with better user experience. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and drop a comment on your Zara app experience.